today we are going to see how to upgrade NFS Underground 2 with Redux HD Textures for sharper visuals and improved details. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And just close stuff here and right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location, and then just drag and drop these mod files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination, select do this and select continue, and then right click on the text mod.exe and select run as administrator and select yes option. Select this big folder icon and navigate to the game location. C drive, program files x86, NFS Underground 2. Scroll down and select the speed2.exe and select open. Select this small folder icon and select browse, and you make sure you are in the games folder and scroll down and select this .tpf and select open, and then select the run option, and you just need to wait for a few minutes. Once the game launch, just load the profile and I will show you guys before and after comparison so you can easily compare two of the game. Hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.